So, this is going to be a really quick one in response to a comment from Rebecca, who would like to know how I get the notes for retailer lecture. As usual, I've got my notepad, I've got a pen, I'm at home, so just like you, I'm going to preparing for the test at home. Let's get straight into it. How am I going to do this? I'm going to set up my computer, as usual, share my screen with you, and you guys are going to see all of that. But at the same time, I'm also going to have my phone recording, and it will show you exactly what I'm writing. That way, you have an idea of how quickly I'm writing, how much I'm writing, and how bad it looks, and how we put that word soup together. Okay? I got you, Rebecca. Let's get this done together. See you in a minute. Okay, so I'm just going to jump straight into it. Retailer lecture. As you can see, my phone is set up to completely record my writing. You're going to see it in a minute. Let's take a look-see while it loads. Right. And I'm also going to start recording on my phone as soon as a question pops up. Okay? So it's really important for you to know that I'm not complicating it. I'm not trying to go for the hardest thing. Let's do Tesla, which has only been practiced once. I'm going to start recording straight away. It is recording. Let's wait for someone to start speaking and look at my handwriting. Okay? And of course,
Today, I am eager to talk about Nikola Tesla, a visionary inventor whose innovations went far beyond his time and continue to influence our lives today. Tesla's story is not just about his inventions. It's about his extraordinary imagination and perseverance in the face of adversity. Nikola Tesla, often overshadowed by his contemporaries, was a prolific inventor and a brilliant mind. He is best known for his development of the alternating current (AC) electrical system, which is still the standard for global power distribution. This system enabled the efficient transmission of electricity over long distances, revolutionizing the way we use energy. Tesla's contributions weren't limited to electricity. He had a hand in the creation of radio, wireless communication, and even concepts that laid the groundwork for modern-day robotics. His foresight in these fields showed a man thinking far ahead of his time. Nikola Tesla's legacy is a testament to the power of innovative thinking and relentless pursuit of scientific discovery. He reminds us that the ideas and creations of one individual can change the course of history.
all right, you can see how much I've written. You can see it's really messy. I'm going to start talking straight up. The talk was about Nikola Tesla, who went far beyond his own imagination. He had a great influence on everybody, and he was a great inventor. He has an influence on us, his imagination often overshadowed by brilliant minds. He created alternating current, also known as AC, which was involved in the distribution of global power. His work wasn't just limited to energy, it was made to use radio, wireless communication, robotics. His legacy shows us the power of innovative thinking and that ideas can change the course of history. All right, so I fumbled big time, didn't I? That's okay. Let's see how we went. So you heard in the middle that I completely stopped, I completely paused. The fluency will be extremely low, but obviously, I've got so many things working at the same time. I got very distracted, but that's okay. I just wanted you to see how I write stuff down, and you will still see that I will get a pretty high score on content. Just give it a minute. Man, it's slow today, isn't it? Okay, so as you can see here, 85 out of 90. Content was 5 out of 5. Fluency was quite a bit lower, but that's because obviously I have the phone going. I've got the writing. I completely stopped right in the middle at some point. You saw all of that. Let's do another one. I'll show you what I mean by like really quite extreme note taking. Yep, let's do another one. Okay, so you've seen the notes. You saw me write it in real time, exactly what words. What I catch, I write down. What I don't catch, I don't write down. It doesn't really matter and it doesn't need to be perfect. but there needs to be words. All right, so we've got some that are not done at all. Let's do it. Deep ocean. Right?
Today, I'm thrilled to share insights into the mysterious and largely unexplored deep ocean. This vast and enigmatic part of our planet holds secrets that scientists are only beginning to understand. The deep ocean is home to some of the most unusual and fascinating creatures. These species have adapted to extreme conditions of darkness, cold, and high pressure. For instance, the anglerfish, with its bioluminescent lure, is a testament to the unique adaptations required for survival in such an environment. Furthermore, the deep sea plays a crucial role in our planet's health. It's a major carbon sink, helping to regulate the Earth's climate. The deep sea ecosystems also contribute to the cycling of nutrients, essential for supporting life both in the ocean and on land. In conclusion, the deep ocean is not just a place of darkness and mystery. It's a vital part of our world, with profound implications for environmental science and biology. As we continue to explore these depths, we unlock more of Earth's hidden wonders.
All right. As you can see, the word soup is right here. You can see it right there on the phone camera. The talk was about the deep ocean, which was mysterious, vast, and enigmatic, holding many secrets. It was home to many unusual creatures which are adapted to extreme cold, darkness, and high pressure. One example stated was the anglerfish, which comes from the deep sea. It shows that plays a crucial role in the health of not just the planet, but of the ocean, as a carbon sink, and it contributes to cycling of nutrients. The deep ocean may be a dark but vital part of the world, and scientists and biologists are learning more about the Earth and this hidden wonder. Notice how all of it wasn't exactly accurate or relevant or correct, but what was important was the content. Okay, now let me just stop that one, make sure it's all edited and deleted. But you get it, right? There's a ton of words that I've written down, as you can see. I hope this helps. And let me switch to my phone. That way you can see me a little bit better. But I hope this helps. And I hope you understand what I mean by quite aggressive note taking. Okay, it's really important to take as much notes as you can. Whatever words you catch, you write down. What you don't catch, don't stress. Just keep writing. Okay, it's really important to have enough ingredients in your soup to make a word soup. Okay? So we're waiting for the internet, obviously. Okay, so as you can see here, I got 85 out of 90. Content 5 out of 5, absolutely. Word soup method absolutely works. Pronunciation 89 out of
The
90, which
talk
is
was
pretty
about
good. Fluency was 81 out of 90. It could be better, but somewhere in the middle, as you can see with these little red bits here, I stumbled. But I'm not upset about that. 85 out of 90 is pretty good. All right? See you in a minute. So I hope that kind of answers your question. Thank you so much for leaving a comment, and obviously I'm here to help. Right? That's what tutors are for. We're here to help you, to show you exactly how we would do it, and don't just look at it as, oh, both times she only got 85 out of 90. In reality, it's going to be a lot higher than that, and obviously on test day I'm going to be far more prepared. And also, it doesn't need to be perfect, okay? What's really important is what you can catch, you write. What you do write, you speak out loud. That's it. Keep it short, keep it simple. Use the word soup method and see if it suits you, all right? Now, you've seen my notes. It's really ugly handwriting, it's chicken scratch, it's absolute rubbish. But the method works, okay? Thank you so much for your comment, and leave me another comment if you have any questions. See you soon. Bye.